Okay, the grilling Dylan's at it again. We got steaks, we got lamb chops, peppers. So here we go.
I'm putting in briquettes. We're gonna keep them flat. We're gonna keep them under the surface of the fuel trays. We're gonna put some in there. I'm gonna do lunch. We like it. It's cool. It makes noise. It smokes really nice. It hisses.
So we'll time it. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes to start all that solid fuel into there. At that point, we'll turn off the gas.
Okay, it's been three minutes, 3.5 minutes. I'm gonna shut off our gas. Drop the grates with the cloth.
Throwing on some nice inch-thick ribeyes. This is real cooking, man.
This is
no gas
when
cooking.
it gets fun right here now.
This is the real stuff. This is the way real chefs cook. Over open flame, baby. Hey Wes, don't you usually use a basket for your peppers?
Well, normally I do, Jeff, but in today's case, since I don't have it with me, and because of the fine design and craftsmanship of the hemispherical grates, I'm able to actually put the peppers on top of the grate, and we'll get a fine sear and not lose them through the grates into the fire. We're gonna do a cross char now, guys, the turning of the steaks. One, boom, getting a little warm there, boom. That is a badass grill.
Okay. I'm getting hungry. Can we eat? Okay, Dylan, how'd it come out?
The finest I've ever done.
There we are. We still have lump coal left. It's still black, still cooking. This thing is hotter than blazes. Been a half an hour. The fuel's been off for about 45 minutes at least. See, we're lazy. We got probably another 20-30 minutes on the solid fuel, but we haven't had the gas on, but for only 3 minutes.